Absolutely true. Nature reminds us again and again that we are just mere people, humans living on her planet. And we are just going to show you how nature has devastated something that man made. Right there, why I'm calling this last motorable point is the reason. You can see a cave-in. This is about 60 meters in length. And you can see a JCB currently working, trying to remove the debris from here. Believe me, the JCB cannot do much here. As we spoke to the PWD officials earlier, they will have to cut through the mountain and create an alternate route. And that is the only way to go through here. But human resilience is also something which is important because they have claimed that by tomorrow they will finish this road. I will request this gentleman, excuse me, sir, can you move from here? So what we are trying to show you is the big vehicles, the heavy vehicles cannot come to this point, and none of these small vehicles also can move beyond this point. And that leads us to that conclusion that relief material, which can be taken in a manner which can take a lot of material across, cannot happen till this road is fixed. So for a fast and rapid transport of relief material, we need this road to be fixed. This road is heading to Dharali. We are just 51 kilometers short of it. Now, I would like to tell you how the situation is in and around this area. And joining me right now will be my colleague, Omkar Bahuguna from Maneri. Let's cut across to him. Omkar, can you tell us, you've been here since morning, since last night. In fact, you were here. You showed us how this entire place was cut off. And the NDRF and SDRF teams were stuck here. So we will try to explain to you how this happens, that when an entire road caves in, the big teams that are coming along with heavy machinery, equipment, manpower, they are left helpless. And then what is the alternative? The alternative is what the SDRF and the NDRF chose. They chose to walk it. They walked past this cave-in, and then beyond this cave-in is another cave-in of about 100 or 150 meters long. They walked past that as well and went all the way till they could and tried to help those who were in need.